Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with safety and access. Do it now. Release the hood latch, prop the hood, and verify the engine is cool so plastic tabs won't warp. Remove the intake duct fastener with a flat screwdriver, then undo the two airbox clips or small bolts using a 10 mm socket. Once undone, gently pull the intake hose back to create slack. Make sure you don't tug the MAF sensor wire. If it's tight, unclip the MAF connector first so the box can lift freely. Once the lid is off, lift the old filter straight up and out. Observe the airflow arrow so the replacement goes in the same way. Inspect the element. If it's dark or torn, replace it. Clean the housing with a vacuum and a lint-free cloth, removing leaves and grit that cause restriction. Make sure the rubber gasket around the airbox lip is intact and seated. If the MAF sensor is exposed, do not touch the hot wire. Simply keep the area clean and free from loose debris. Place the new OEM filter into the housing, aligning the arrow toward the engine and pressing the gasket so it seats uniformly. A misaligned seal lets unfiltered air in. Lower the lid, refasten bolts or clips in sequence, then reconnect the intake duct and clip the MAF connector back in place. Tighten clamps but avoid over-torquing plastic tabs. Start the engine and listen for whistling or hissing. If you hear it, shut down and reseat the lid. Troubleshooting tip: if you get a check engine light or rough idle,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.